Let's begin by opening up Illustrator. So if you don't have that open already, please open it. Then we're going to create a new document. So Command N for a new document. I want to choose Custom Inkjet and then Landscape instead of Portrait and click OK. I'm going to have our new document open. We're going to start by creating our grid. So the grid that we're going to follow to align all of our other objects to. On our toolbar, underneath the line segment tool, remember it has the triangle in the bottom right, so that means there's stuff underneath. I'm going to hold down on that, and then I'm going to notice that there is a rectangular grid tool. I'm going to click on that. And then I want to tell Illustrator how many rows and columns I want. So by double clicking on a tool like this, if I double click, it opens up that tool's option menu. And I'm going to create a grid that's 5 by 5, 5 columns, 5 rows, and in order to do that, the dividers actually need to be an even number, one less than how many rows and columns that you want. So I'm going to click OK. And then starting in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to drag my grid out across my artboard. I want my stroke, my lines, my grid lines to be thicker. I want no fill in black, so you can change that just in case. And then I want to make my grid lines stroke weight 12 points. And the reason why we're doing that is you want to create a gutter. And a gutter just means that, let's say I align text, let me get the arrow tool, I align text to this left column, and then over here I align text to the column, but from this side, right? So to the left, to the right. You want a space kind of in between so they're not right on top of each other. You create a gutter. Now we don't want this grid to move, but we want it to be here. And we're also going to rename it, right? We organize and name our layers. We call that grid. And we lock it so it doesn't move, doesn't go anywhere, and we can turn it on and off. On and off. Once you have your grid created, we need to save our document. So Command S to save. And I have a global warming folder created, right? So maybe in your Google Drive, you create a new folder called global warming. And we want to do period number, so P1 underscore last name, first initial, underscore, and then I could do GW for global warming. I'm going to save. Click OK.